Ready to hit the Texas roads? Discover the ultimate guide to obtaining your Texas driver's license with ease. From necessary documents to insider tips, we've got you covered. Don't let the process overwhelm you. Let's simplify it together. Make now to drive your dreams. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to get Texas drive license. In this video, we will explore how to obtain your Texas driver's license online. We will cover the case steps, important resources, and tips to make the process as smooth as possible. Whether you are a new driver or moving to Texas, we've got you covered. Let's get started. The first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into aceable.com. Then we have the second one, which is dpstexas.gov. So the DPS is Department of Public Safety, by the way. So let's just come back to the first one and let's discovering this website. So what is aceable.com? Aceable is provides online driver education courses for teens and adults. As you can see here, we have here, if we select for example I will select Texas, and you will find other page, which is this one. We have here both for teens and adults, as you can see. So I will explain you this option so as soon as possible. You have just to be patient. So it's focusing on safe driving practice and traffic laws. The interactive content is accessible on mobile devices, allowing students to learn at their own pace. Completion leads to a certificate for obtaining a driver's license, making the process convenient and effective. So you have just to click over Texas. We have also here online driver's ed course on California, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Nevada, and we have Ohio, and we have also here Oklahoma, and we have Texas. I will select Texas, of course. Then you will find this page. We have here some benefits, for example, convenient. We have 100% driving classes online on your time, then on your own time. Then we have fun. Yeah, like really fun, and we have a lot of videos, memes, and gifts. Then we have also here fast, get your permit after 6 hours. Then we have legit, take the official tests in application with a limited retreats. So we have just to select if you want change drivers 80, or we have here adult drivers ed. So if we scroll down, we'll find here two packages, which is the first one for Texas parents taught drivers ed between 14 and 17 years old, and the options that we have here, which is drive confidently with our TDR approved course. Then we have earn your permit from any device anywhere, and the last one, which is over 2 million families trust Aceable to get with safe drivers, and you have to pay $75. It's just a promotion here, and actually you have to pay $115, but it's a promotion. So you have just to click over enroll now to more understand. Then the second one, it's for plus 18 years old, Texas adult drivers ed. So we have here first the option for plus 200 free TPS exam practice questions. We make sure you ace the test. Then the second one, fast same day certificate of completion delivery. And we have 1 free month of all state roadside services, and you have to pay $39 or $40 per month. And also we have here, it's a promotion like this one, and actually you have to pay $75 in this package, but it's a promotion that you have to, so you have just to pay $40 for this package, not a month. Sorry, I already said per month, but it's actually for this package only. You have to pay $40. All right, so for example, let's just select the first one, and you will find other page, which is this one, which you have just to create an account. So here we have save $40 on your course today. So you have just to select here, click promo or course only. If you select course only, you will find this option, and you have just to add your student first name, your student email address, your confirmation of your email address, and then we have the password, and then we have also here the information of your payment, and also we have your terms and conditions. You have just to click over here if you are agree to the terms and conditions. Here we have the terms and conditions. You have just to read it to more understand, then you click over continue and you get started. About the second one, we have here so we have here for teens, and you have to pay here $175. It's a promotion. You click over claim promo, and you have just to link this information such as your first name, your email address, your student email address again. For this is the confirmation, so with the same email address that you that you type or that you write here, you will write it here. All right. So then you have to add your password. Then we have also some information about payment. Then you click over continue after you are agreed to the terms and conditions as well. All right. So this is it for this one. You have just to get started as soon as possible. It's very helpful and useful to use this Texas Drivers Aid Online. About the second one, it's Texas Department of Public Safety. So the Texas Department of Public Safety, or DPS, oversees driver licensing and vehicle registration in Texas. It administers the state's driver education programs, conducts driving tests, and issues driver's license and identification cards. The DPS, or Department of Public Safety, by the way, also enforces traffic laws and promotes safe driving practices to enhance road safety for all Texas. So firstly, you have just to select your driver license and IDs, or you have just to scroll down and you select the option of driver license. Once you do that, you will find other page, which is this one. We have three options here. Let's discover it together. The first one, we have assistance for people with disabilities. The second one, which is new appointment schedule and system, and security incident. So about the first one, we have assistant for people with disabilities. You have just to add your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your TX driver license and ID number. Then we have home address, city, state, zip code, daytime phone, alternative phone. Then we have email address, driver license, office you want to visit. Then we have also here ADA accommodation, ADA accommodation needed, and question. Then you click over submit form and you get started with the first one. And then we have a new appointment scheduling system. About this one, you will find other page, which is this one. Then you scroll down and you click over the button with the blue color and you will find this page. Here we have welcome to Texas GPS appointment scheduling system. You have just to select your preferred language to continue. I will select English. We have also Espanol, as you can see. So we have just to complete the files below. We have here Texas card number, first name, last name, date of birth, last four of SSN, and you click over log on to get started. Then we have also here the last one, which is security incident. About this option, we have here daily security incident. You have just to select if you want daily security incident with Chinese language PDF or Japanese language PDF, Korean language PDF, or Vietnamese language PDF. Or you can just click over this one and you get started with DL security incident. So once you click over this one, you have just to read this information and you get started with this option. You have a product, you protect Texas consumers by accepting complaints, filing civil cases, and also we have here some questions with answers, as you can see. So thanks for watching. Now you have the Texas you have the tools and knowledge to navigate the process of getting your Texas driver's license online. Remember to check the official resources we discussed and stay organized with your documents. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Safe driving and good luck on your licensing journey. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.